It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Monday evening, the 8th of February. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather turning very cold. Snow flurries, snow showers. What about the chance of any accumulation or impact? That'll be the focus here. So here we go. Water vapor satellite view. Big cold upper trough is positioned over the eastern U.S. And as the advection process continues, the cold air advection, you can see rain showers and snow showers aplenty across parts of the eastern U.S. Had a few snow flurries up in the shoals earlier today, but mostly just a few sprinkles across North Alabama. The better chance of snow showers and flurries will come tonight and during the day tomorrow. Temperatures are starting to fall up over the Tennessee Valley, mostly mid-40s. Readings close to 50 around Interstate 20, Birmingham at 49. But tomorrow, we think we hold in the 30s all day with a very brisk west to northwest wind of 15 to 30. A very cold and blustery day. And you can see that nose of cold air diving south through the Mississippi Valley region, coming down through Des Moines and St. Louis. And that's the air we will be in tomorrow. Now, the Weather Service in Huntsville has issued a winter weather advisory for the two most northeastern counties in the state. That's DeKalb and Jackson. That would include Scottsboro, Fort Payne, Collinsville, Mentone for late tonight and tomorrow morning. And again, I don't know if the Weather Service is considering putting one of those things up for maybe Etowah or Cherokee. They might, but we'll take a look at the impact here in just a second. And you can see winter weather advisories continue northeast through East Tennessee, East Kentucky, extreme North Georgia, and winter storm warnings are in effect for the mountains of North Carolina. All of West Virginia under a winter weather advisory, and winter storm warnings also for the northern suburbs of Washington, D.C. and Baltimore up toward Philadelphia. But again, this is a fairly light precipitation event. This is what we expect through Sunday evening, and really not much. This, of course, is the liquid equivalent, and this is the snow projection from the National Digital Forecast Database, and you can see North Alabama in gray, and that's just for very light amounts, with the better totals north and east of here. So here we go. This is the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at noon. Big high amplitude pattern, western ridge, eastern trough. This is out 15 hours. This is the HER model. This is a really good high-resolution model, and really it's not showing very much in terms of snow flurries or snow showers, but there certainly could be some at that point. And notice the freeze line is well to the south, really closer to US 80. This is the high-resolution NAM, and this is valid at 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. And again, you can see these streaks of snow showers, and that would be all snow showers. And the freeze line is north of Tuscaloosa, but south of Birmingham. That blue line you see there. So, and again, most of the precipitation here is going to be very light. Mostly no impact, but understand in those little heavier streaks of snow showers, the ground could go white, and with temperatures below freezing, it's conceivable there might be an icy spot or two somewhere. This is the accumulation potential coming off the high-res NAM, valid tomorrow evening at 6 o'clock. And again, you can see it's kind of suggesting that the better numbers from Huntsville down through Jackson and DeKalb counties. But understand, no model or no human will know at this point exactly where those little bands of heavier snow showers will set up. As we often talk about, it's more like summer showers on a summer afternoon, kind of random. But this is the general idea up there in that northeastern corner of the state. 1/2 to 1 inch on the high end, especially above 1,500 feet, up on the ridges, up on Lookout Mountain and Sand Mountain. Then a trace to maybe a 1/2 inch down to Gadsden. And again, some spots in that zone won't see anything, and then little or no accumulation to the south and west. But again, even there, the ground might be white in spots. But clearly, the better chance of getting a little accumulation is going to be across high terrain of northeast Alabama. But because of the scattered nature of the snow showers, understand it'll be hard to identify where those little heavier streaks will be setting up, and we'll just have to watch for icy spots tomorrow morning. So our advice, get up extra early, turn on ABC 3340. We'll be out and about checking the roads and letting you know if we have any problems. This is the GFS tomorrow at noon, and again, very cold, and again, the high will be only in the upper 30s, and the wind is going to keep the wind chill index around freezing most of the day. Wednesday, the morning's going to be cold with low 20s likely. The high Wednesday will be in the low 40s. The sky will be sunny. There's a look at the anomalies on Wednesday. Thursday, again, Thursday morning's going to be cold, but the latest data coming in not as cold as other runs. Looks like both models are putting us in the middle 20s to start the day, and then a pretty good chance we see low 50s on Thursday afternoon. Friday, a weak front comes in, and that might squeeze out a few sprinkles, maybe Friday morning. I don't think it's a big impact event. There's hardly any moisture available, but maybe a few sprinkles Friday morning, nothing beyond that. And then Saturday, as the weekend begins, that's a cold high pushing down in here, a 1048 millibar high that's south of Minneapolis, St. Paul. Saturday looks to be mostly sunny but cold with low 40s, and Sunday looks cold. Sunday morning, we'll be down there close to 20, and I think we'll see teens in the colder pockets. That's a 1,040 millibar high that's over the Carolinas. And then the high Sunday should be in the 40s, and the sky will be sunny. You can see the coldest air setting up on the eastern seaboard. Very cold Valentine's Day. And then Monday of next week, still got troughing over the east, and another cold front pushes in here with a chance of rain showers, with a better chance of any snow north and east of here with that feature. This is the end of the forecast period Thursday of next week, the 18th. Flow is going zonal. That looks dry, a little warmer. And again, we note the teleconnections are suggesting the Arctic oscillation tries to go positive in about 10 days or so, as does the NAO, and hopefully that will mean some warmer temperatures later this month. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or on television, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.